Can you feel the love tonight?
Yes, that's right. That's the spot right there.
Can you feel the love tonight?
Just gonna sniff. Huh? What? Jerry, what are you up to? Nothing? I know you're up to something. No, I'm just coming here for a sniff. A little sniff. Just don't disturb me, bro. Okay. Right? Told you not to disturb me. I'm sorry.
Oh, we're playing a game? I love this game. I always get a free treat. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. It's, it's this one. This one right here. Yeah, I'm sure. Ah, fudge. Well, anyways. Can you feel the love tonight?
Fa. Fa. Hi, ha. Hi, well. La. La. Hi, hi, fa. Hi,
Nom 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 nom.
All hail, King of the Kittens. It is I, King Arthur. Hey, get off. Get off my vacuum.
Can you feel the love tonight?
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Let me out. Finally, fresh air. Oh.
Just look at how selfish Sharon is. She's having all this food all by herself.
Yeah, Sharon's a selfish bitch. This human is weird. She keeps recording us.
Yeah, I don't know what her problem is. She's even giggling now. Is she a lunatic?
Hey, enough food. Stop kissing me. Stop it. Stop it. I don't like this. I am uncomfortable. I will report you to the authorities. Let me go. Stop it. Stop.